Welcome to another great lesson in Photoshop. Today we're going to be creating lightning, and we're going to be using some of the different filters to do that, as well as messing with the hue and saturation of the picture. So to get started, you're going to open up Photoshop, go to File, New, and let's name it Lightning. And on the presets, go ahead and we'll select Custom. And we're going to change our picture to pixels, and we're going to make it 300 for the width and 100 for the height, and the rest can be left like this, and we'll click OK. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to change our color for the foreground to black, and we're going to select the paint bucket tool. And remember, the paint bucket may be under the gradient, so you just need to left click and hold, and we'll color that background black. Next thing we need to do is make our foreground color white, and we're going to select the brush tool, and you want to change the brush so that the master diameter is at 1. And what we're going to do is draw out our lightning. So we want to do some kind of horizontal lines going across and then branching off like lightning does. So go ahead and do that. And you want to make them like different lengths and different directions and stuff like that. Okay. Once you have those drawn out, we're going to start applying filters. So the first filter, we're going to go to Filter, Stylize, and then Wind. And the method is Wind. And then we'll select from the left and click OK. And then we're going to go back, Filter, Stylize, and Wind, and we're going to change the direction to make it from the right. So now we'll have it going from the left and from the right direction. After that, we're going to apply another filter. So we're going to go to Filter, we're going to go to Distort, and we're going to select Ripple. And you want to make sure that your ripple is at 100%. Once you have that, click OK. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the hue and saturation to give our lightning some color. So we're going to go up to Image, we're going to go to Adjustments, and we're going to select Hue and Saturation. And it's very important, the first thing you want to do is select Colorize, or check the Colorize box, and then you can adjust your color by moving the hue and saturation. And just go through it, pick a color you like. I'm going to go with like a deep red. Once you're done, click OK. And then we are finished. Okay? So I want you to save. Go to File, Save As. You want to make sure that you are in your graphics folder, and it's named Lightning. Make sure the format is on JPEG, and then click Save, and on the JPEG options click OK. And once you have that, you have some lightning effect. You are done.